So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Learning with Ram. So one of the biggest update from the Infosys coming out, and this is a good news. So I am starting the morning with good news. So if you are the freshers looking for job opportunity, then be ready for this wonderful hiring. So currently Infosys have announced that they're gonna hire 20,000 plus freshers in financial year 2027 since their profit rise by 20.8%, and this is amazing growth opportunity from the Infosys. So be ready, especially 2026 and 2027 pass out batch, because they are gonna lots of important hiring from the Infosys. And just stay update on our YouTube channel so that you will not miss anything. Okay, first of all let me show you the overview of the news. Okay, you can see lots of news there. Infosys cuts itna thousand job in Q4, targets 20,000 freshers in higher financial year 2027. Means financial year 2027 means they're gonna hire for 2026 pass out batch. So this is wonderful opportunity. Those students who got the TCS NQT result, congratulations. If you haven't got, no need to worry, there will be lots of important opportunity. Recently I provided you update related to the Infosys Cognizant hiring. They are hiring for 18 LPA, and again Cognizant gonna hire for that, means total around 20,000 candidates, and they gonna hire for means various packages, okay, like the ASC role and other roles. So just go through that, and the main thing that you should be now focus enough, and don't think that whether I will selected or not. So you have to make a proper plan, proper strategy. So if you need detailed video related to this hiring, then must comment here so that I will make a dedicated preparation video. So they will hire for the system engineer, digital specialist and digital specialist engineer, and salary will start from 3.6 to 21 LPA. So now the main target you should be there, that focus on the coding questions, aptitude and other parts. Okay, currently for the 21 LPA till they are just taking 3 or 4 coding questions, but yeah, I think for DSE role they will take the aptitude and numerical too. Okay, so you can see various news from the Financial Express, from the other money control, everyone saying, and this is basically the statement from the Infosys. Okay, they have clearly said that they're gonna hire the more number of candidates, since there is a decline of the candidates in the decline of the employee in the Infosys, but their growth have higher up. So be ready. This is just small updates, and for getting such important job update you can subscribe us. Okay, we regularly post lots of important job updates, so if you don't want to miss any job update, just subscribe us. Okay, so this is just short updates for you, so make sure to be ready. Okay, and talking a little bit more about the exam pattern. So for the exam pattern, means for ASC role for 3.6, there will be quant reasoning, verbal, and also means technical concept. These are for the interviews part, and there will be coding questions. So you have to practice coding questions well. Okay, and especially the things, the preparation strategy you should focus on aptitude and coding. Again, in every video I'm saying that if you will practice for the TCS NQT, then you will be ready for almost every exam. So practice that and revise core subject, and practice mocks and PYQs of the Infosys. So if you need any detailed video, must comment here. Earlier also I have provided you the update related to the questions and other. So just be ready for this important opportunity. So whenever the updates will come, I will provide first on my YouTube channel. So milte hain next important job updates mein. Thank you.